If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll continue to post content on a daily basis of our new inventory coming in. Right now, we're looking at a 2020 BMW 750xi all-wheel drive. This vehicle was a freshwater flood damage vehicle from the recent storms in the Northeast. The water level is very low. The vehicle does start and drive. We're completing this vehicle. It's going to be retail ready in a couple days. I just want to go over it with our client base and followers. So standard protocol, we open the air intakes, check to see if water went inside the engine. We flush all the fluids, change all the filters, change the cabin filters, make sure everything is clean before we start them. This vehicle did not have water inside the engine. Starts and runs perfectly. We're in the process of reassembling everything right now. As you can see, no corrosion, no rust, no oxidation. Very nice, very clean. Let's do a quick walk around. As you can see, body's very clean. This vehicle will be sold with a rebuilt title. Let's take a look inside. Rear power shades. Lots of room in the back. Also, standard protocol is with the flood vehicles. We normally take apart the entire interior, go through with a fine-tooth comb, clean all the contacts, clean the harness, sanitize everything, make sure everything's 100% dry. You have rear climate control here. You got split sunroofs. This vehicle's got the cross stitching. It's a real beautiful interior. Comment below, let me know what you think. Front. Really sharp, really nice. Everything works. No mold, no mildew, no smell. It's going to be brought back to its original state. We have a highly trained staff here. We've put thousands of flood vehicles back on the road with no incident. Our guys here know what they're doing. We bring these vehicles back to their original state. It'll be on the website soon. There's also financing available on the flood damaged vehicles that we repair. Thanks for watching.